Well, I don't know if any of you guys watched my $20 iPhone video. I don't really have a lot of views on it, so I'm sure probably at least some of you haven't seen it, but um, this is the iPhone that I bought a while back for $20. And I got another one for parts. A guy brought this phone to me and he wanted me to try to restore it because I had put an ad on Kijiji, and I've been having pretty good luck, so I figured, well, try making a couple of bucks from restoring some phones and stuff. So anyway, he brought me this one, and holy crap, I spent 4 days trying to restore it, and I couldn't figure out the problem. I used every single piece of jailbreaking software. I used iTunes. I used Tiny Umbrella. Everything I could think of to restore it. So I contacted him and I said, I can't get it to restore. I've tried everything. I've worked on it for 4 days. I can't afford to put any more time into it. So anyway, he said, yeah, go ahead and keep it. I don't need it. I don't want it. It's broken, so keep it. So I took the digitizer and screen and put in mine, because if you go back and you watch my $20 iPhone video, you'll see that this phone had a bunch of dead pixels on the screen, and it was kind of annoying. It wasn't a big deal, but it was a little bit annoying, so I said, screw it, I'll take the screen out of the one he gave me and put in that one. And so I did that, digitizer and the whole works, and I tried to boot mine up, and it got stuck on the Apple logo and wouldn't go any further. So I was like, something funny about that. So I took the digitizer and stuff from mine and put in his, and it started working. So I don't know. So anyway, I didn't have a spare digitizer or anything, not that was any good. So, and I would have never thought to try that anyway when he had it here to get me to try to fix it. So I don't know, it was weird, but it worked. So if you have an iPhone, especially a 3G, because that's the one that I know that it works on, probably even a 3GS, probably all of them more than likely. So if you have an iPhone that won't boot, try changing the digitizer and the screen and stuff, and most likely it'll probably work. If you've tried everything else and nothing else works. Kinda weird that something as simple as that could cause the thing not to boot.